In the last few years, Windows has changed a lot in terms of how you could take screenshots. Windows has developed a few tools. I'm making this video because one of my viewers has said that his screenshot doesn't save in the screenshot folder anymore. So, in this video, I will show you different ways to take screenshot as well as how to make sure you could always save your screenshot. So, let's get started. The best way to take a screenshot is by going to the notification panel by clicking on here and then selecting Screen Snip. Then the Snip tool will give you a few options. The first one is to draw a rectangle to create a snippet. There is another way to open the same tool by clicking on Start and typing Snip and then selecting Snip and Sketch. Now if you click on here, you could then snip now by again drawing a rectangle, and as soon as you do that, it would open this window where you could draw lines, crop the image, activate a ruler, activate a protractor, and many more tools. And then if you click on save, you could save your screenshots in PNG, JPG, or GIF format. You could easily save the file anywhere in your computer. Another interesting feature of this tool is that you could click on here and get a delayed screenshot of 3 seconds or 10 seconds. I selected 3 seconds, and then all you got to do is just to wait for 3 seconds, and then it would take a screenshot, and then you need to again click on the notification panel, and then it would automatically open the screenshot where you could save or make some changes. And finally, if you take a screenshot by using Snip and Sketch Tool, it would automatically save the screenshot on your clipboard, and then you could select Start and type Paint or any other software where you could easily paste the screenshot onto it. So I open Paint and then I simply press Ctrl V to paste the screenshot onto my Paint tool. You could also open this tool by using Windows logo key plus Shift plus S, and then you could see all these options on the top of your screen. Also, if you click on these 3 dots and then click on settings, you could see some settings that you could change on this tool, such as auto copy to clipboard or save snips. But what I'm interested is to use my print screen key on my keyboard to open the Snip and Sketch tool. So simply click here, then your Windows settings would open, and all you got to do is to turn on print screen shortcut. And now you can close this. Make sure you click on your desktop first and then press the print screen key on your keyboard, and when you do that, you get the option to create another screenshot. So once again, I select the rectangular tool and I draw a rectangular area, but nothing appears. It looks as if the snippet that I just took has just disappeared. So the trick to access this snip is by clicking on the notification panel. But when I do that, it doesn't show any screenshot there, and that's because I have turned off all my notifications. So in order to be able to save your screenshot, you need to turn on the notifications. In order to do that, right click on here and click on Turn on Notifications. You could also access notification settings by clicking on here and then clicking on Manage Notifications. And here you could easily turn off or on all the notifications or change the settings of notifications here. And if you scroll down, you could turn on or off notifications of individual apps and services. Now I use the shortcut key to open this snipping tool, and now I create a rectangular snip, and then if you click on the notification panel, you could see our screenshot is saved there. Simply click on it and then it would open this Snip and Sketch tool with your screenshot on it. As I said earlier, there is another tool called Snipping Tool, which you can access by clicking on Start and typing Snipping and then selecting Snipping Tool, and then if you click on New, you could also draw a rectangular area, and then it would automatically open this screen where you could draw lines, save, and many other options. At the moment, Snipping Tool and the Snip and Sketch Tool are both installed on Windows. In the future, Windows is planning to totally remove this Snipping Tool and replace it by Snip and Sketch Tool. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. Also, you could watch my other videos on the screen.